Here, let's shut the door. We can put the marker pencil again. See where this is?
Yeah.
See right here?
Yes.
So now we know where the hole has to be. See, because it won't stay closed. Let's see if it works. Oh, wow.
What?
It's really bad. That's terrible. That's terrible. Look. See the holes up here? The hole's up here. It's supposed to be down here.
Hey, Polly,
I don't know what we're going to do.
look at Mommy. What are you doing?
I'm fixing the door.
You're fixing the door?
Why are you looking at me?
I'm taking a little video of you and Uncle David fixing the door. Do you have your drill? Let me see it. Just like Uncle David's?
Yeah. But these both nice, but they're not big. How are we gonna fix this, Uncle David?
I'm going to have to get my drill bits.
Look at Mommy.